Hello Mavin, what up? I hope you're doing fine. In previous video we discussed about how can you build your e-commerce business, and in this video we'll be talking about how can you market your e-commerce business and also how can you build your brand. So without further ado, my name is Tanmay Terte and let this video begin. So now you have set up an e-commerce store and now wondering what should be your marketing strategy, or maybe you have already listed products on Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra and so on and so forth and are wondering what marketing strategy you should go for. Well, I have a side note for you. You can have both the business plans for your own site and for the alternative platforms. But I would suggest you, if you are a beginner, you should just focus on one and one thing only. And if you want to decide which one should you go for, make sure you check out our previous video. The link is in the description and somewhere right here as well to have a clear thought process. So with that being said, let's not waste any further time and dive into the first topic of today, which is branding. Well, we discussed in our previous video as well, only 20% of online e-commerce business get successful out of all of them because they don't know one thing, that branding comes before marketing. It's like going out for shooting and firing it in the air and wondering, why didn't I hit the shot? Because you moron, you don't even know what the target is. And that's why we are here, to make sure that you know how to shoot. I'm just kidding. To make sure that you know what your target is and what you should actually focus on and what you should not in the starting. An effective marketing strategy consists of a good marketing research, a good business plan, the metrics that you want to assess for success of your brand, so on and so forth. And every topic is a big topic in themselves. And that is what makes a successful marketing venture. You can't rely on prepping up one or two things and expect your business to thrive in e-commerce world. It's just not how it works. So let's try to figure out and dive deep into it, shall we?
So the things that you need to consider for brandings are: number one, competitors' marketing research. Well, as they say, keep your friends closer and your enemies even more closer. So you should always have focus on where is your competition marketing. What tools are they using? What social media are they leveraging? What is their USP? What is the unique selling point? What are their products' features and their benefits? Are they solving any problem? Because if you're solving a problem on e-commerce business, you have high chances of selling your products to the new consumers as well. What are the things are they offering that you won't be able to? Or what are the things you will be able to offer that they aren't? Well, always remember, people don't care about how cool your brand logo is, how cool the name is. If it makes their life easy, they'll buy your product. Number two is registering your business logo and your business name, and also creating a business checking account.
Well, a business checking account separates your personal transaction and your business transaction, and it comes really very handy when you talk about your finances. Number three is leveraging social media platforms. Well, it's no brainer now that most of the online businesses are leveraging social media for their growth. Well, we can't talk much about social media marketing in this video, but we have already made a series about social media marketing. The link is in the bio and somewhere upwards here as well. So make sure you check out that. Number four, good product feed page. What does this mean? If you are making your website, make sure the images, videos on the website are utmost quality, like a perfect quality videos and perfect quality pictures. Because whether you like it or not, even at your sleep, your website is working. So you'll have to make sure that your website is top notch just in terms of quality of pictures and the quality of videos uploaded on it. The better the quality, the better results you'll receive. Number five is SEO optimized copy. SEO optimized copy is nothing but creating a compelling content with specific keywords so people out there can share it on their social media platforms. Number six is branding package. Branding package is nothing but the resources which are physically printed to create a uniform image for your brand, like a color of a brand. If you have a black and red color, just for an example, then every packaging will be related to black and red. Your products will be a black in color. Most of the things, your website can be black in color, and this is how you can bring your packaging branding into the picture. And last but not the least is social proof. UGC, testimonials, reviews, everything should be highlighted. The more the better views, the more highlighted should it be. Always remember, content is 80% and 20% is the marketing. So make sure you provide value to your customers and value for your brand as well. So now that we are done with the branding part, let's move to the marketing strategy part. Now for that, let's discuss some marketing types that you can use to drive your marketing journey in e-commerce business. Come on. Now these are some marketing types that you can use to market your products. Number one is viral marketing. You don't have to worry, we'll be making a thorough video about viral marketing very soon and you'll be able to watch it. Number two is search engine marketing. It is a method where you increase the traffic of the website by search engine pages result. Number three is by displaying ads. Google AdWords is the great example for it. You place out the ads on Google and get leads from there. Number four is offline ads. Obviously it's still working, apparently not as useful as it used to be, but it's still immensely beneficial. Number five is search engine optimization. We have already made a series about search engine optimization where we have discussed in depth about how you can get results for your website by doing search engine optimization. The link is in the bio and somewhere up here as well, so make sure you check that one. Number six is email marketing. Well, if you're still searching for an email marketing tool, we've got you covered. We just made a podcast with Omnisend describing everything that you can get for email marketing from Omnisend. The link is in the description and somewhere up here as well, so make sure you check out that one. It's an in-depth tutorial on how you can use Omnisend to its utmost potential to grow your email marketing list and also get results, leads, so on and so forth. Number seven is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a huge topic in itself. And don't worry, we've got you covered. We'll be making a video about affiliate marketing, describing everything about affiliate marketing. So make sure you stay with this channel, subscribe to this channel as well. Number 8 is social media marketing. Marketing your products on social media by running ads or maybe organic marketing as well, making a trending content related to your product, so on and so forth. You can generate so many things from social media marketing. And even if you know a bit of more knowledge about social media marketing, you don't have to worry. We've already made a series about social media marketing where we have discussed everything, that how you can grow to how you can lay out your marketing strategy. Again, I just want to mention this one thing, that every topic I talked about is a big topic in itself, and somewhere or the other we'll be covering that topic as we move ahead in timeline with this YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe to this channel. But if you are still very eager to know all of those stuff, well, you can book a free consultation call with the best marketers out here and we'll be happy to assist you. With that being said, let me just give you some e-commerce tips before we end this video. Number 1 would be upsell and downsell. Number 2 would be automated messaging. Always go for automated messaging because that's the fastest way to communicate with your customers or leads. Number 3, text message marketing. Most of the people don't read emails a lot, but most of the people do read text messages. That's why use text market messaging. Number 4, push notification. Well, whenever you are giving discounts, offers, so on and so forth, make sure you do push notification. It just triggers our brain rapidly. Number 5, post-sell CRM. Number 6, Google shopping ads. Number 7, shipping leverages. Make sure you make a layout or market a layout where you can leverage shipping. Number 8, use plugins for the website. Number 9, retargeting and remarketing campaigns. And number 10, schema markup. Well, let that sink in. I know it was a lot, but don't worry. E-commerce marketing is also not a one-nighter. Nothing in marketing is one-nighter. Just go with the flow. Make sure you experience all those stuff, try out all of stuff. Also, if you have any doubt, make sure you pin it down in the comment section and Mavenwit team will be happy to assist you. If you didn't get anything, comment down below, we'll be happy to assist you again. With that being said, make sure you subscribe to the channel because so many marketing stuff is about to come here and you will absolutely love it. Like this video if you love this video. With that being said, this is Tanmay from Mavenwit signing off.